Good afternoon, students. In our previous classes, we discussed about different kinds of advertisements, and today I'm starting with, again, I'm teaching you advertisements, and as you all know, advertisements are necessary to sell our things or sell, purchase, or to find something like accommodation, whatever, and for jobs. So, advertisement are very important to do. So today we'll discuss about educational institutions, advertisements on educational institutions. So first of all, I want to give you important points for this type. Important points for this type are number one is name of the institution. Number two is, first of all, we'll write name of the institution, then course or classes offered, course or classes offered. Then we'll take, number three, we'll take eligibility or criteria. Eligibility or criteria. And then we'll take facilities. Afterwards, we'll take fees, last date for registration, and then address, contact details also, etc. Address, contact details, etc. So, I want to give you one sample advertisement for it, and it will be the format of sample advertisement will be like this. I told you that we'll start with heading. First of all, heading is yoga classes. Yoga classes. So this is called heading. Then nature of the course. So we'll start it with capital letter. So nature of the course I'll write 3-week course. We'll write it in capital letter. 3-week course. Now I'll write it in cursive in yogic exercise for school children, and then qualifications of tutors will write. So it is nature of course. Nature of the course. Then here we'll write the qualification of the tutors, training by experts. So training by experts, classes for girls from 6 a.m. classes for girls from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. on weekdays. And then, so this I wrote timings, and now I'll write last date of submission of fees. So last date for registration. Last date for registration. Okay, I'm giving May 1, 2012. Contact. Then I'll give contact address, right? So contact Rajesh Singh, Director, Yoga Center, 234 Shahjahanpur. So this is contact address, and what things we included, like first of all I wrote heading, the nature of course, then duration of course. Duration of course is 3 weeks. Then I wrote qualification of teacher, so training by expert. This is qualification of tutors. Then I must write, or I have written, last date, that is last date, and last but not the least, contact or address or details. Right? So in this way we have learned advertisement about educational institutes. Now we'll do the next type of advertisement, and that will be matrimonial. So now we'll learn about matrimonials. Matrimonial, and important points for it is, important point are, first of all we should, yes, so first of all we'll start with, preferably begin your advertisement with wanted or required. So you should begin it with wanted, or then give personal details, such as we should give personal details like looks and appearance. So this is personal details such as looks and appearance. Then educational qualification, and afterwards we'll write family background, and then at point number, these things will come under personal details, and then we'll write our advertiser should provide personal details. Give personal details like advertiser should provide professional details, and then state your preference if any. Then advertiser should state the preferences if any. Then give a contact address and phone number. Then advertiser should give contact address and phone number. Right? So if you'll follow these points, your matrimonial advertisement will be right and you will get full marks. Okay. So, and the format should be or will be same as we follow in classifieds. So next is, again if you want I can give you format, and format should be small box should be there, and then advertiser should write opening statement with the wanted. Advertiser should start with wanted, and then personal details means your suitable match for a cultured, smart, good looking MBA girl. These kinds of personal details should be written here. What I told you, I'm repeating, means suitable match for a cultured, smart, good looking. And then we'll write profession MBA girl, and height, and family background means what is father or parents does, that we should mention. So here family background, whether the father is businessman or is in job, whatever, and then what the advertiser wants. So requirement should be written. Okay, I'm telling you kind of requirements means this advertisement is about a girl, as I told you earlier. So the boy should be or must be well qualified from a good family, and if caste bar is there, then you should mention the caste, and when you'll marry, and if you want to marry early, you should write early marriage, and then personal address should not be given. Contact details should be given. Contact details should be given, and in contact details we should write box number 3456 and name of the newspaper, Times of India, New Delhi. We should not give our own address. Now the next advertisement is about missing persons or pets. Missing persons or pets, right? So first of all, again I'll give you important points for this type is begin with the heading missing. Begin with the heading. We can write it in, or we should rather write it in small letters, missing. Then point number 2 is give a brief physical description of the person or pet. Give a brief physical description of about that person. That is, a person means if person is missing, you should write details of a person. First of all, name, age, height, name, age, height, complexion, build, etc. Then health and mental condition, health or mental condition. Then identification marks, if any, identification marks. Then clothes and color of clothes. And if any pet is missing, then we should write description of that pet, right? Then we'll write description of that pet. Okay, then we'll write description of pet. That will be, what can be, name, breed, color, fur, etc. Name, breed, color, fur, etc. Identifying features. Identifying features. State missing from where and when. From where and when the pet is missing. Then you should write about rewards, if any. If you will give reward, then reward if any, and provide a contact address and phone number. Also, after doing this, you should provide a contact address and phone number. So that's all for the day. Good day.